Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and welcome to the training lesson Swing Trading Rules. This lesson is all about swing within trend trades. We're going to go over the exact rules for buy and sell swing within trend trades, as well as conservative and aggressive types. But I just want to go over a bit of a summary to start with. The system trades the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour time frames. You could even trade it on the 1 minute, and certainly you can trade it on the daily as well. But if you do that, then you would more than likely want to change the high time frames that are used in the HTF indicator to daily, weekly, and monthly for your higher time frames. The system determines what the trends and swings are on the 4-hour, the daily, and weekly higher time frames by default, and uses the trend follower, moving averages, trend profiteer, MACD, and the RSI to validate trade setups. So this is all about catching swings within a trend. If you've caught the trend and then closed out and want to get back in, then you would use a swing trade or swing within a trend trade to do that if you are on the same time frame. Or you can get into swings within a trend throughout the course of the trend. Allows you to get in and out, and you can even add to your original positions with these swing within trend trades. Entering trades should only be made at the close of the bar on the chart providing the entry setup. Just like the trend trades or any of the trades using the profiteer system, it's always close of bar to provide the confirmed signal. Stops should be placed just above the slow moving average for short/sell trades. If you want to give the trade more room to move, position your stop 5 to 10 pips above the slow moving average. You can even place it more than that just to give it some room to breathe. But the bigger your stop, just be aware, the bigger your risk. Therefore, you may want to reduce the lot size on the trades that you are using if you're increasing the stop loss size. Stops should be placed just below the slow moving average for long/buy trades, or 5 to 10 pips below the slow moving average if you want to give the trade a little extra room to move. Again, you can increase that to 10, 15, 20 pips, depending on the time frame as well, and the pair that you are trading. Of course, there are plenty of examples that you can go through, as well as the weekly webinars and of course the forum. You can upload any of your trade setups for feedback. Targets should be set at a minimum of a 1-to-1 ratio relative to the stop loss. In other words, if the stop loss is 30 pips, make the target a minimum of 30 pips, just like trend trades. And just like trend trades, you want to be able to be open and receptive to closing your trades early if they're really struggling to get to that first target to lock in profits, or tighten your stops at that point if you're seeing trades struggle getting to that first target. Over the following lessons, we'll cover the trading rules for a conservative swing trade buy, a conservative swing trade sell, and then an aggressive swing trade buy and an aggressive swing trade sell. Optional filters include the distance between the close of the previous bar and the close of the bar that issues the swing trade signal must not exceed a set maximum, and the distance from the close of the swing bar to the moving average crossover that was the inception of the trend is within a maximum set distance. So this is all part of the Goldilocks zone filters, and they're available in your indicator and in the trade assistant, so it can handle it all for you. The profiteer swing trade is based on the core concept of moving averages and how they relate to each other, as well as the MACD histogram bars and how they indicate price movement in line with their placement above or below the zero line. It does use the RSI as well, but the main thing here is the MACD indicator to really identify those swings within a trend that already exists. Histogram bars above the zero line suggest price is supported, while histogram bars below the zero line suggest price is under pressure. And a profiteer swing trade is the moment that there is an upward swing within an uptrend or a downward swing within a downtrend. And over the next 4 lessons, we'll go over that in more detail. As always, under this video, you have the opportunity to download the video, download the special report that adjoins this video, go over some tasks, and there's also FAQs plus a link directly to the forum that relates to swing trades. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in the chat room and in the weekly webinars. Till then, good trading, live well, and I'll see you.